Okay, so today I will show you how you can use error handling in the workflow. So basically, when error happens in any of the workflow, it triggers this second workflow. So for example, we have error trigger. So if you go to and search error trigger, then you have error trigger. So now when this workflow got an error, so the second workflow will run, and you need to go to setting, and in the setting select error handler, and you need to, in the error workflow, you need to specify the workflow name, which is error handler in my case, and now save it. So when this workflow throws an error, this workflow will run. For example, if you execute the workflow, you can see we have a demo message, that message and the workflow URL, their ID and their name. So now we can select any of the channel which you want. For example, let's say Slack, and send a message. So now we can select user, and we can select which user I would like to send a message is this one, and the message type, which is this here. And we can also specify the workflow URL. Now the second is we can also save the information in Google Sheet, and we can use a pen row, and you select document which you would like is this one, and sheet for. So now let's say you drop message here, and URL and the workflow name, and you can also add a timestamp, and you can define format here. So basically hours and minute seconds. So now we have this one. Okay, now once you execute the workflow, so the information will be saved here. So we have this one. So this that's a workflow. So basically, whenever a new error happens in any of the workflow, this workflow will trigger and it's sent to a message, and you need to make it published to, so that it will trigger.